Alright, so welcome to another trade recap. Today, I don't really know how to describe it. It could have been had a lot of potential for a green day, but, missed a lot of entries, missed a lot of potential wins. So, looking at the charts before market open, I kind of had a bullish bias because, you know, um, we were kind of dumping overnight. We've been dumping for a long time. I'm not looking to short. We already had like what? We had four bearish daily candles. Like I don't want to short in a discount. So I was looking for longs off of market open and then we dumped. I think it was like 9:30 Judas swing or something. So we had that, and then we reversed the Judas swing, or we had a reversal right over here. We inversed a fair value gap, but it was usually when I try to take inverse fair value gap setups, I try to look for a retrace back onto like an opening price of like the CISD, like I mentioned in the videos before. Those work super well, or like at the 50% of the inverse. I could look for that too. But as soon as we inverse, as soon as that candle closed, we just kept pumping. So I missed that entry, and we had like no retraces that whole move up, like no good spot like places for entries. So that limit was at like the 5 minute opening price for like a CISD, but because we were already pumping up. So and then I just had FOMO here. I tried taking a long, did not work out, and then it just stopped me out, and then it kept pumping again, unfortunately. We kept pumping, and then I saw some videos. I tried using 2 minute, 3 minute. I don't think I am going to anymore. It just kind of adds too much to my charts. Like it's just too confusing with everything else going on. So I try to look for another entry, but I don't think I get one for a while. Let me skip through. I think near the end here. Yeah. Um, I could have put a limit right here at the opening price, and I think it would have like to the tick I would have gotten it, and that could have targeted these equal highs. That would have been a good, in hindsight, that would have been a very good trade. But unfortunately, I did not take that trade. And then I think I just canceled my limit here. And then, because it just didn't look like a good trade after thinking about it for a while. And then we inverse another gap, right? And then I think we create a fair value gap I'm looking to retrace into. But here, hold up. I don't know why. Oh, I think it was because like from the swing low, swing high, I put a buy limit at the 0.705, but I usually put a fib on the fair value gap I think it's gonna retrace into. In hindsight, you know, let me skip to the part. We were showing a lot of rejection from this second fair value gap. The first is here, but it's really tiny. But so we were showing a lot of rejection off this fair value gap. I think I canceled that limit. Oh wait, I didn't. I just exited early. Yeah, I exited for like 200 profit. It wasn't that good because it showed a lot of rejection to the down. Like it it started rejecting and going down. So I was like, I just panicked and I exited the trade, which is also something I need to work on not doing. But it wouldn't have worked out anyways. I think it would have stopped me out. I should have put a fib level in this fair value gap and target like the 0.79. That's what I usually do for fair value gaps. I target the 0.79 level. Or if it's a really big fair value like 0.79, like 0.62 to 0.79. Typically I do 0.79, but if I'm scared that won't give me a good entry, 0.62 usually. And then it rejects off this fair value gap a lot. Like like you can see right there. And then see I just measure a fib level right there to see, and then if I put 0.79, I would have gotten it to tick as well, targeting this high, which it ran through. And that kind of made me a little angry or like regretful. So I just hopped off the charts there. I'm scared I'm gonna take a bad trade or something. So that's it for this recap. Pretty short. A lot of missed entries, but Usually I don't too good on Fridays is usually where I blow my accounts, so I'm happy with just leaving with a small loss of $70. But yeah, that's all for this trade recap. It was short, but I'll see you guys next week. See ya.